Okay, next on the list is getting you signed up for Gizmo Labs through explorelearning.com. Gizmo Labs are our virtual labs. Okay, this is how we are going to be doing things on the computer, especially at the beginning here. The first thing I'm going to need you to do is I'm going to need you to go and open up either Google or Safari. I prefer Google. So what I will need you once you get this opened up is to type in up here at the top, explorelearning.com, and that'll take you to this website right here. Now, once you have reached the website and explore learning for Gizmo, up here on the top right, you will see something that says Login Enroll. So simply click on that. We are going to enroll, or you are going to enroll into one of my 4 biology classes. You should, once you click on that, get this box right here. Do not put anything in username or password yet. Simply go to class code. Okay. Now, what is your class code? If I click back here, you have one of these 4 class codes. So it depends on which of my biology classes you are in. If you are in 4G, you will type in PXJPVQDL6B. You'll notice those are all capital letters. If you are in 2W, it is N8XXDZGJLN. If you are in my 3W class, PFNTGD. And if you're in my 4W class, HKQHLRBMXZ. So simply write this down and then return back to the website. Now I already have the one for my 4G class typed in here, so I'm going to use that one. Once you get it typed in, you simply click on Enroll in Class. This will be the next screen that pops up for you. In our case, you are creating an account, or you are registering now to enroll. So I will need you to click on the green right here. So I'm just going to make up a name. Put your first and last name. I'm just making one up. Again, use your actual first and last name. So I am going to be Wreck-It Ralph, enrolling in my 4G class. Now you're going to need a username and password. I would like all of you to use the username and password that you have for Yorktown High School. Again, use your high school username and password. Okay, so I am just going to make one up. It'll ask you to confirm your password. Make sure you do that. Make sure you type everything correctly, and then simply hit submit. That should take you to whatever class you just told in. As of right now, I have not added any gizmos to this class, but I will be getting one added in here shortly because we'll be having one come up in the first couple weeks. Okay, so if you have problems, go back, work yourself back through it. If you cannot manage to do this, make sure that we're the first time that we get together in class, you let me know so I can get you signed into one of the Gizmo classes.